That's one fellow Dagogo that he has a matter, and PDP says they don't know about Similaye. Please, as I speak to you today, Supreme Court dismissed the appeal by Farah. I can tell you there is nothing we do not know about what they want to plot from the up. When the plot finish, come down and implement it. Don't be so. Not be so. So we know. And let me also say, yesterday I watched on national television when the man who cannot keep his words, Iyorchia Ayu, is talking about the reaching out to G5 governor. That one of the G5 governors came to his house. Now nobody can blackmail us. Nobody. We will never go and meet anybody. Never. We will not do that. We are who we are. This is not the first time we have battled. This battle we will win at the end of the day. We will win this battle at the end of the day. Sometimes you hear them say they've gotten an interim order stopping him to all those things are social media. If anybody feels to challenge us, go and challenge us in court. Do you understand me? Yes, sir. We have gone to court against them. We are not running away from them. All our candidates went to court. Our party went to court. I went to court too. We will stay here and we will battle it. We are not going to run away from anybody. No way. Are we going to run away from Andrew? It's not possible. You can't chase us away from the house we built. No way. Rather, we will chase you out because you are used to running away. You are used to running away. So nobody should be worrying himself. Let us know who is who. After River State is this morning, after some appeal from people talking to me and for security, oh, look, leave them. I've given them back at the campus. Go and campaign. Go and carry your people and that should not be that because they didn't campaign, that's why they didn't win in the River State. Welcome and campaign. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes, so come and campaign and win. Without us, is it possible? Is it possible? I have told people who are from River State collecting their money, continue to collect their money. But tell them the simple truth, that if you didn't dare, you didn't dare. When APC was in power in this state, the previous administration, and that is what I always ask people, you are from Ogubolo, you were in that administration. Mention to the people of Ogubolo what they benefited from that administration. Did you benefit anything? Nothing. The only benefit you got, they came here and brought a government secondary school open. Is it not true? It is. The only thank you, they said thank you, Ogubolo, was to come here and bring down a whole school without building it, without rebuilding it. Did they rebuild it? No. When I came, I told you when you vote for me, I would rebuild it. Have I rebuked it?
Yes, sir.
Have I rebuked it?
Yes.
That is number one. Promise made, promise fulfilled. I said to you, I was going to do the internal roles of Bono. Did we do it?
Yes.
Did we do it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Promise made, promise fulfilled. I said I was going to link up the bridge between Bolo and Kedre. Is it going on?
Yes.
Is it going on?
Yes, sir.
Promise made, promise fulfilled. I told you I was going to do Bogo, Wakama Road. Have I done it?
Yes, sir.
Have I done it?
Yes, sir.
Promise made, promise fulfilled. I told you I was going to sign field to reclaim land for Ogu people. Am I doing it?
Yes, sir.
Am I doing it?
Yes, sir.
Promise made, promise fulfilled.